Hey there fitness fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best exercise bikes in 2021. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these bikes, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright, so the first exercise bike we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the XTERRA folding exercise bike. Next up at our number 4 spot, we've got the Marcy Recumbent exercise bike. And coming up next at our number 3 spot, we've got the YOSUDA indoor cycling bike. Next up at our number 2 spot, we've got the Cyclace exercise bike. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, and everybody else's personal favorite, we've got the Peloton bike. Alright fitness fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which exercise bike you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.